And also, just remember that the point of the regression suite is not to find bugs. It is to make sure that whatever code was moved to a different environment did not break the previous code. So when we move from dev to test, we want to know that whatever was in test before did not get broken. And so that gets tested using the regression suite. Regression suite rarely finds bugs, but it rarely finds new bugs, I should say. But it does find bugs when things get broken. I've had many times where we did run the regression suite and we found out that something was broken. It's great. And the other fantastic thing about it is that all the tests that you add to it never have to be re-executed by manual testing. From there on, it's just exponential savings of time. The more times you run it, the more times it saves. So I hope this diagram is clear to you guys. If you had a 1-week sprint, this is kind of what you will be doing. It may be a little bit different from place to place, like I said, but for the most part, it would look something like this. So now, the most waited for moment, the running of the framework. Okay guys, so quickly, before I actually execute the kickoff script, we already recorded this video and we tried to run the kickoff script and it ran, but for some reason the rest of the video did not record. So if you guys notice any kind of weird things going on with the solution, it's only because I added more projects to the solution. So what you were seeing before and what you're going to see now may be a little bit different. It's not that different. There's just, like I said, more projects in the solution, which is not a big deal. But I'm just letting you know, I just want to be honest that for some reason, previously we ran this and the video did not record, so I do have to re-record it, but it's not a big deal. But anyways, let's go ahead and do this. I know you guys are so excited to see everything. So I'm going to double click the kickoff script and it's going to run my regression suite, which is currently only one test case. After we run through this, the next step that we're going to do is refactor. So let's just watch it fail. No problem. Cool. All right, it failed. And I actually expected a failure because I knew what was coming out of test and I knew that we changed the functionality. But I just wanted to show you guys what happens. Because we created functionality that works, but development gave me new functionality that changed. And so that broke my automated test. So let's go to data. Today is 5/27, 7:58 a.m. This looks right. Check it out. So we have our print log, our test results, and the screenshot of what failed. So clicking link name member login failed, obviously because the link was not present. So here's a screenshot of that. Then we can open up our results and look in there. Take a look, guys. Open application and log in with a valid user. It failed in IE. And then our test steps also failed. And then, of course, we have the print log where we printed all the results. If I ran this at night, which I can, all I have to do is schedule the kickoff script, then I would come in here and look in this folder and look at the print log and the screenshots and figure out what happened, and then I would fix the issues. So let's quickly go back to OneNote, and I want to discuss the execution process.